Welcome to Union Daily News channel. I am Aarti Tiwari and today's breaking news. Russia-Ukraine crisis live update. Two loud explosions heard in Ukraine capital. Russian airstrikes hit military installations across the country as ground force moved from the north, south and east, forcing many Ukrainians to flee their homes to the sound of bombing. Russia said it's the first day of Ukraine invasion had achieved all its goals and that is had destroyed 83 land-based Ukrainian targets. According to the official report, Russia had carried out 203 attacks on its western neighbor since the beginning of the day. Ukraine force battled Russian paddles on three sides on Thursday after Moscow mounted an assault by land, sea and air in the biggest attack on the European states since the Second World War. The attack triggered Western warning of unprecedented sanction against Russia as a NATO, EU and G7 leaders condemned the invasion and vowed to hold Moscow accountable. Ukraine army says fighting Russia force outside the capital. Videos of Indian students in Ukraine aid the Russian invasion show them asking for the help to return home. Some students have no left their apartment while others have moved to underground metro railway station that could serve as bomb shelters. So basically the question rises, what government is doing to evacuate Indian students stranded in Ukraine? So nearly 16,000 Indians are stranded in Ukraine. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs (MEA) has to set up a dedicated 24/7 control room to provide assistance and information to Indians in Ukraine. India has sent government team to Ukraine border to evacuate the citizens who are still stuck in the country. The officials are traveling via land as airspace has been closed aimed onslaught by the Russian military. India has identified safe route that they plan to use to evacuate its citizens from the Ukraine. The safe route have been identified by the road. Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday spoken with Russian President Vladimir Putin and highlight their concern about the safety of Indian citizens in Ukraine, especially the students. During the conversation, Mr. Modi conveyed that India attached the highest priority to their safe exit and return. The India Embassy in Ukraine has been issuing survival advices to citizens in the country. The advices also contain information like how to find a bomb shelter when needed, and the embassy has asked people to turn away if they were heading to capital Kyiv and return to the cities they live in. As per the report, President Biden on Thursday said that the United States will be consultation with India on the crisis in Ukraine following a military operation from the Russia. Protesters turned out on public square and outside Russia embassies in the cities on Thursday to denounce the invasion of Ukraine, while more than 1,000 who tried to do the same in the Russia were arrested. As per the report, Russian troops continue to advance in Ukraine a day after President Vladimir Putin launched a war on the nation. Survival Western countries have announced sanctions against Russia and also warned a sequence for the onslaught in Ukraine. According to the report, Ukraine called on hacker underground to defend against Russia. The government of Ukraine is asking for volunteers from the country's hacker underground to help protect critical infrastructures and conduct cyber spying mission against Russian troops, according to the two people involved in the project. As Russia force attacked cities across Ukraine, requests for the volunteers began to appear on the hackers form on Thursday morning as many residents filed in the capital. Ukrainian cyber community, it is the time to get involved in the cyber defense of our country. Stay tuned for the more update.